There's many different kinds of AI. There's neural networks, there's evolutionary systems, there's logic engines, there's ant systems. There's a huge list of AI paradigms. There's a huge list of problems that AIs from these different paradigms can solve. And this is totally a moving target because the AI field is advancing so rapidly. So the API of APIs, that's, what system does the SingularityNET protocol as a whole use to manage all the different APIs that different AIs are wanting to use? We need a way for an AI to describe to end users or to other AIs, what kind of data it wants, what kinds of problems it can solve, what kind of results it can dispense, and to describe some of the properties of what it can do in a fairly abstract description language that other AIs can understand, and is quite flexible and can deal with the rapidly evolving nature of AI and all the allied technologies, right? And so this leads you toward functional programming languages for describing input, output, and properties of AIs. If you have a blockchain layer which speaks functional programming language already, that gives you more opportunities for sort of integrating this API of APIs more deeply with the underlying blockchain protocol. And this has large advantages when you want to do things in a secure yet scalable way. So if you want to make this sort of scalable, decentralized, secure computing work for AI, you actually need the blockchain infrastructure, which is tied into the encryption code. You need that to understand the description language that describes what the AIs are doing. But if you want this decentralized emergent swarm AI to operate in a way that respects data sovereignty and is secure by design, then ultimately you need a blockchain that has functional programming infrastructure, and Cardano is pretty much it.